Hey guys, today I'm breaking down Square Appointments pricing and answering the big question. Is it really free or are there hidden costs? Let's make this simple. The free plan. Yes, Square Appointments has a 100% free plan for solo users. That includes online booking, automated reminders, calendar syncing, and even a basic POS system. Perfect for solo stylists, barbers, or coaches starting out. So there are paid plans. If you run a team or want more tools, that's where paid plans kick in. So Plus Plan is a $29 per month per location. You get Google Calendar sync, no-show protection, client wait lists, and more. And the premium plan is $69 per month per location. Best for larger teams, add staff commissions, resource management, and advanced reporting. So even on the free plan, Square charges payment processing fees 2.6% plus 15 cents per in-person transaction and 2.9% plus 30 cents for online. There's also an optional monthly fee if you add features like online invoices, marketing, loyalty programs, etc. So yes, Square Appointments is free if you're solo, but if you grow your team or need advanced tools, be ready to upgrade. Check out the full breakdown on their site and choose what fits your business.